Alright guys, so what we have right here is, it's been a while that David has been an honorary member of the Raptor Paint Job RGB team, and he's been asking us if he could do a car. And just out of coincidence, we just got this Mustang. Pretty simple job. We think we could handle it, so he got smart and he brought some help. He brought his cousin Anthony, and they're saying that they're gonna knock this one off. The Raptor Paint Job RGB team is over there. Well, where are they at? They're actually right here doing nothing. So these two motivators are gonna take care of this car. So David, what's the first step?
Well, we're gonna start sanding the car.
Okay, let's get to it. Go on, David, what you doing?
Well, I'm taking this off because without taking it off, I can't get through here. And this is the last part I need to sand so we can finish sanding all the car.
Okay.
We already finished sanding all the car, and we're just like, it's just getting dark out. Tomorrow we're gonna come back and finish all the edges. Then after that we're gonna start papering the windows and everything. So thank you for your support, guys. Like and subscribe.